So if you'll kindly close your eyes now, put your feet squarely underneath yourself, sit up nice and straight to encourage those endorphins. You could close your eyes and you begin to just take a nice gentle breath or two. And because you've learned about belly breathing by now, I'd like you to really focus on breathing into the belly. So that the belly is really rising with your inhale and sinking back towards your spine with your exhale. And I'm going to give you an exercise to do while you're breathing. I'd like you to count up to 5 breaths. So each breath is one number. You're going to do this quietly. I'm not going to say anything in the background for several moments. Go ahead and begin now. Each breath counts as one number, so you're going to count 5 breaths. Now that you've counted about 5 breaths, you might notice that one of the things that's effective about that tool, continue with your eyes closed while I speak, just keep breathing, is that it requires you to stay very focused on your breath and not get lost in it because you're counting at the same time. That's a really great tool for you to use and to remember in the future. That if your mind is wandering a lot while you breathe or meditate, if you count the breaths, it will keep you much more focused. Now continue to take another nice deep breath or two. And just listen to the words that I say while you breathe. I am centered. I am ready. I am ready to learn today. I know that my mind sometimes is like a monkey mind that bounces around from tree to tree. It's very busy. It's doing what it should be doing. It's thinking. And yet I know that I want my mind to work in my favor, where I can use this magnificent tool to help me create life instead of being afraid of life. Take a nice deep breath here. Great long exhale. So I'm going to ask my highest self and all of the beings that are in support of me, all of the beings that help me, all of my guides, I'm going to ask all of you to help me to really understand the material I read today, and also to really be able to practice the tools and skills that I learn in the future related to the mental layer. Nice deep breath in. Great long exhale out. And you can go ahead now and open your eyes. Feeling a little bit more open, ready, relaxed, present, ready to go. So let's go ahead and get busy and let's do this together.